I've been busy all morning. Now I'm taking a break, making sure no one, oh no, my husband did call me, or message me. Stuff happens. So, yeah, got packages in today, fun. Got, what I thought was going to be my last order to Neo Nails. And once again, only because of the customer service. And no, they failed to send some of my stuff, so they gave me a discount code off my next order. I do like their stuff. It's just their customer service, and actually the customer service was really good this time. So I got some of her new colors. I'm so pooped. So yeah, can't wait to try them. I've got the color changing one on mine, and I am not 100% in love with it, but we'll see. I don't care for Glam and Glitz. I am waiting for some some of the gel. I want to try that out and see if I like it. But it seems to be MIA right now. But I believe that one's coming overseas, so that one's kind of a given. And I work fairly quickly, so I wanted to try the high speed, which actually, these didn't link. This one did. I don't know if you can see. It's not a lot, but there's powder in there outside of the thing. So, stickers coming off the bottom. It's not sticky at all. Weird. Hopefully that's not prerequisite for their company kind of not caring, because I do like them. And I think I might stick with them. The only other company I've found that I like so far is Mia Secret. I like their stuff. It was part of my last set. And this one I didn't go really wild on. I just went with the one. Well, that's neat. Huh. So, this right here, hopefully you guys could see that. It actually shows you the color of it. That's cool. Anyway, alright. I've done dishes. Talked to Tina. Talked to, I was just griping about FedEx and their hair. Hey, is this the same guy? This guy be the second time this guy's come. And the one earlier didn't throw our stuff down. Which, I think it was the brandless delivery? Yeah, we didn't have a problem with it. That and, there is stuff. Well, no, their stuff is pretty. Nope, it's a different guy. Oh, is it a different guy? They both came from Pasco. Thank you. Have a good day. You too. Go grab that, please. Anyway, so yeah, it's been busy. Hopefully I'm not in the dark. You guys, I'm sorry. We are trying to find a camera with a flip up, and it just is a fight. Because I'm finding it hard to justify spending like $700, $800. But if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I'd love to try one out and see. It. Okay. Alright. Oh, I've had quite the day. Looks like that. Weird. I don't remember seeing that mark on the camera. Anyway, so, yeah. Ended up... Yeah, just ended up being a long day. I'm tired. And I am so ready to go to sleep. I know that's bad, but told Anthony this morning, I was like, yep, can't go back to bed yet. So, and here I am again. So, yeah, fun stuff. Anyway, so we'll just talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.